Assalamualaikum viewer. Today we start with Maple. This is the first one lecture on Maple. Maple is the simple one software that is used to solve the problems in mathematics. These are the 5 basic rules that you should keep in your mind for doing something in Maple and the using for Maple. When you are on start screen and you want to solve any problem, then the first rule is the agreement of the function, all function, both built-in one and ones that you defined are given in parentheses. You always use this bracket when we use a function to solve, or brackets this are used for grouping. Here we use this bracket for grouping. I will explain all of these things with example. Are used for grouping operations, vectors, matrices, list, and the others is given in this bracket. Simply you should keep in your mind this bracket is used, this parenthesis bracket is used for built-in function, and this bracket is used for grouping. Grouping mean if you want to solve 2 divided by 3x plus 4, then 2 divided by 3x plus 4 we need a bracket, and this bracket is used there. Next one is a semicolon or colon must be included at the end of each command. Maple does not display the result when a colon is included at the end of a command. Never name a user defined object with the same name as that of the built-in Maple object. This one is so simple. We should always use the semicolon or colon at the end. Only this we don't use these two when we need any command to run or to display, and we don't use any word like if we use the any function that is defined with Maple, then we don't use that name. And next one is multiplication is represented by, we take the asterisk sign to multiply for this one. If we want to solve the 2xy, we write this one in this y. Powers are denoted by this sign. If we write this one, you may understand x8 multiplied by x power 3 whole power this. Here this one is the, here is this the bracket are used. We use here this bracket, square bracket is used because grouping bracket in Maple is this one. And next one is the Maple follow the order of operation exactly. When you write a problem, we should be write in a proper way and in a special arrangement. Okay, we will discuss furthermore with example all of these things. If you understand these things, then well and good. If you don't understand, move to the next lecture and watch furthermore about Maple. Thank you very much for watching Education for All.